YouTube. I know most people know that I like Vise-Grips. So anyway, in my latest attempt to collect more Vise-Grips, last week I picked up these ones. This little Samson Vise-Grips. Well, you know, my incessant need for more. Got another Samson Vise-Grip. Ooh, look at that. A double pack of Samsons. They're all ugly too. See, nice and ugly and nice and abused. I don't know if they make different versions of these, but I think there's only one. They got the cool little bullet tips on the end. See, these are exactly identical. See, two of them. Samson Vise-Grips. Says Samson lever jaw wrench, patent applied for, made in USA. It says the same thing on both of them. So yeah, this one's a little more shiny, I think, from use. And this one looks like it's been sitting in a drawer, or it's rusty right where the handle is from use. I got those ones. And what else did I get? Something else too. Oh, I ordered more. It says, I found if you really like locking pliers, you're going to like this channel, because I keep ordering more. Don't make fun of me, Arco. I know somebody likes a lot of hammers. But I found, since I'm pretty much plumb out of, like, you only need so many Vise-Grips. I have probably 6 of every single Vise-Grip ever made. So now I'm working on something new. I'm going to start buying Craftsman Vise-Grips, because I don't have any Craftsman Vise-Grips. So yeah, I'm going to start buying Craftsman Vise-Grips. Don't people go buy on eBay and buy them all, jack the price up on me. I want them all. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, the bell, and check all the little people below here on the bottom. And all the rest of you, 80%, subscribe, hit the button. Thank you. Enjoy.